Weather, climate, and water cycle test. Directions. Read each question and choose the best answer. Place your answer in the space provided and your Scantron. Number 1. A cold front on a weather map has A. Blue half circles pointing the opposite direction the front is moving. B. Red triangles pointing the opposite direction the front is moving. C. Blue triangles pointing the direction the front is moving. Use the weather map to answer questions 2 and 3. Number 2. What is happening to the temperatures in Dallas? A. The temperature is getting warmer. B. The temperature stays the same. C. The temperature is getting cooler. Number 3. San Francisco is experiencing a high pressure system with clear skies. What other city is experiencing similar weather? A. Denver. B. Seattle. C. New York. Number 4. In College Station, Texas, we are expecting a high of 75 degrees. There is a 30% chance of precipitation. The winds are blowing from the north. This would be an example of A. Weather. B. Climate. C. Both weather and climate. Number 5. Using the chart, what was the difference in temperature between the warmest and coolest day? A. 23 degrees. B. 26 degrees. C. 7 degrees. Use the weather forecast picture to answer question 6. Number 6. What days have the greatest chance of rain? A. Saturday and Monday. B. Friday and Saturday. C. Saturday and Sunday. Use the diagram below to answer questions 7 and 8. Number 7. What is happening in the picture at letter A? A. Precipitation. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. Number 8. What is happening in the picture at letter D? A. Accumulation. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. Number 9. What provides the energy needed for evaporation to occur naturally in the water cycle? A. Wind. B. Rivers. C. Sun. Number 10. One vital piece of weather information scientists collect, record, and analyze is the amount of precipitation an area receives over an extended period of time. This information is used to determine long-term climate patterns within specific regions. The tool most likely used to measure precipitation is A. Thermometer. B. Triple beam balance. C. Rain gauge. Number 11. What is the difference between weather and climate? A. Weather happens over time. Climate changes daily. B. Weather is wind, speed, and direction. Climate is temperature and rainfall. C. Weather happens daily. Climate is the average weather over a long period of time. Number 12. A student is writing a letter to his cousin in Spain. He wants to describe the climate of the Texas Panhandle. Which description should the student include in his letter? A. In the Texas Panhandle during the summer, the sun rises between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock a.m. and sets between 8:15 and 9:15 p.m. B. Many tornadoes touch down in the Texas Panhandle. C. The Texas Panhandle is usually windy and cold in the winter with occasional snowfall. Number 13. Storms in the Gulf of Mexico are common during the summer. The sun is a major source of energy in the water cycle. Which statement best describes the role of the sun as an energy source? A. The sun causes ocean water to create larger waves. These larger waves form thunderstorms and hurricanes. B. The sun causes ocean water to evaporate into the air and condense to form clouds. C. The sun causes ocean water to condense on nearby boats and ships. Number 14. The map shows the weather for Texas on Monday, October 15, 2012. Before the front passed through Houston on Sunday, the high temperature was 14 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is the most reasonable prediction for the high temperature on Monday after the front has passed? A. 8 degrees Celsius. B. 14 degrees Celsius. C. 20 degrees Celsius. Number 15. Climate and weather are different concepts, though they are related. How are the concepts of weather and climate different? A. Weather refers to conditions nearer to the ground than climate. B. Climate covers larger areas and longer times than weather. C. Weather conditions include precipitation, but climate does not. Number 16. This picture shows the water cycle. Which of the following processes is driven by the sun's heat? A. B. C. Number 17. Weather data is different than climate data. Which of the following is an example of weather data? A. The average high temperature in May is 21 degrees Celsius in the Midwest of the United States. B. Central Australia usually receives less than 110 millimeters of rainfall all year. C. The relative humidity was 24% at noon on July 23rd in Tempe, Arizona. Number 18. Which pair of states is most likely to have similar climates? A. Kansas and Missouri. B. Virginia and North Dakota. C. Ohio and Florida. Number 19. Use this model of the water cycle to answer the question. Where is precipitation occurring? A. From D to A. B. From A to B. C. From B to C. Number 20. The plastic rain gauge is shown before and after a rainstorm. About how much rain in centimeters fell in the rain gauge during the storm? A. 5 centimeters. B. 3 centimeters. C. 2 centimeters. Number 21. What role does runoff play in the water cycle? A. It is the process in which liquid turns to water vapor. B. It carries water from precipitation into oceans. C. It takes water out of the water cycle. Number 22. The kinds of data that reflect climate are different than the conditions described in weather data. Which of the following is a description of climate? A. Today it is hot and sunny in Phoenix, Arizona. B. Summers are usually mild in Lansing, Michigan. C. Last week it rained every day in San Antonio, Texas. Use the graph below to answer the following questions. How did the amount of rainfall compare in August 2007 and August 2011? A. The rainfall in 2007 was greater than in 2011. B. More precipitation fell in 2011 than in 2007. C. Rainfall totals in both years were the same. Number 24. What year had the least amount of precipitation? A. 2007. B. 2008. C. 2009. Number 25. The table shows some weather data collected over a 5-day period. What pattern over the 5 days can be observed in the collected data? A. There was more rain on the warmer days. B. There were fewer clouds as the week went on. C. Rain came along with lower temperatures.